PT Yamaha Indonesia Motor Manufacturing, or YIMM, finally officially launched the all-new Yamaha NMax, Wednesday 12th June 2024. This Japanese manufacturer's flagship big scooter is now called the Yamaha NMax Turbo and has a new design and additional features. Latest. Since it last received an update in 2019, NMax has finally received major changes from the previous generation. President, Director, and CEO PT Yamaha Indonesia Motor MFG, YIMM, Dyonisius Beti, said that this launch of the newest NMax was the first in the world. It looks like the design is getting sportier. The face is sharper like the Yamaha Xmax. With two LED projector lights, the rear lights are now full LED. Then the rear lights are now flatter and more outlined, followed by a more varied instrument panel, and the driver can get a lot of various information, from message notifications, telephone calls, to music via the YConnect feature. The highest variant of NMax can also display navigation like Xmax. There is also an electric power outlet and Type A for the highest variant, or NMax Turbo Tmax. Regarding its engine, the NMax Turbo is still equipped with an engine with the same capacity of 155 cc, but uses YECVT, Yamaha Electric CVT technology, which is integrated into the latest Blue Core engine via liquid-cooled 4-valve SOHC, ORS. Anton added that compared to the previous generation NMax, the difference in distance is 9.2 meters, and the speed reaches 90 kilometers per hour. The latest Yamaha NMax comes in 4 variants, namely NMax Neo, NMax Neo S version, NMax Turbo, and NMax Turbo Tmax.